Welcome to Mommy's a Chef. My name is Heidi, and today I'm going to show you 5 little pranks for our kids. Are you friends? Let's start with our first one. And we're going to take our brownie and we're going to mold it into the shape of poop. They're going to kill me for this. And then just stick it in their lunch box, in a Ziploc bag or whatever. And that's one. Okay, so we're going to begin with the next one. The second one, we're going to take some mayonnaise, just regular store mayonnaise. We're going to add a little bit of food coloring, or just a little drop of red to turn it pink. Stir that together. Grab your little cupcake. Top it. I'm trying not to laugh. I'm trying really hard. It's really hard. And then just top it with some sprinkles. And place it in your tray, and your kids are gonna take one bite, and when they're gonna wanna kill me. I swear, it's not gonna be Mommy's a Chef anymore. Next one. This is something I regularly don't do for my kids. I don't buy cereals. They don't eat cereals, so it's a big thing when I do. And last year, that's what I did for my daughter. This is what I did. So I poured some cereal. She seriously was so upset. I got it on video. If I find the footage, I'm gonna put it in. And pour some milk, and then just pop it in the freezer. And I did. And then in the morning, I served it. And she couldn't eat it because it was completely frozen. Okay, I'm sure she's still upset about it. She's been trying to get me for years, but they still haven't. And this is another one. So I have a little box. Go to your favorite donut shop. Even, actually, I found this one in the supermarket. Just a donut box. And instead of the donuts inside, fill it with fruit. So when they go open it, they'll find themselves some fruit. And then we have one last one, and I think my daughter's gonna teach you that one, okay?
On Mommy's a Chef. So what we're gonna need is a toothbrush, food coloring, and if you want, a bowl to catch any spills, because it might get on you and it doesn't come out. Trust me, it doesn't come out. So we're gonna put the food coloring inside the toothbrush. Boop, boop, boop. And when they go to brush their teeth, food coloring is gonna get all over their teeth.
Oh my!
It comes out, I'm pretty sure.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna list some of the recipes, cookies, brownies, and so forth. Trying to make them something else. You're gonna be in big trouble, or I'm gonna be in big trouble. They're gonna come and get me. Okay, thank you guys.